What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Daily Boys here. Okay, so here's the first question that I have on this trip. We have 1, 2, 3 of us, but there's supposed to be 4 of us coming on this trip. And when I checked, he wasn't at the airport yet. It's within an hour of boarding. Will Dad make the trip?
We lost him. We're going to Vegas without him.
We're going on his bachelor party without him.
With or without him.
Ticket's paid for. He can't waste the whole trip.
Exactly.
Here he is, the man of the hour, rolling on up.
You got some flight snacks.
Flight snacks?
Flight snacks.
Oh.
Right, I got Chick-fil-A.
What is going on, guys? The full daily crew here, back with another video. We got this guy, if I can hit him. There we go. It is his last weekend-ish as a single man, a single father. So we're a little early, so we're gonna go walk around, we're gonna go check out the strip. Let's do it.
Oh, yeah.
Got a little room tour. That's weird.
Am I walking up the hallway?
No, you're good. All right, walk on in. Got a hallway. Nice bathroom. Oh, God.
Dad getting a beer.
Dad's getting a beer?
Groom is getting a beer.
Oh, yeah. The single father getting his last single beer.
Looking for the stinking can opener.
Got a heck of a view. All of Las Vegas out there. Got about 18 swimming pools. So, we walked around the strip for a little bit, but now we're gonna go pick up some motorcycles. We're gonna go hogging.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, where are we gonna ride? Tour of Vegas.
Ride the desert.
Alright, so we stopped at Evel Knievel's own restaurant,
Bar.
Evil Pie. Hooked up with some pizzas.
We rode the hogs.
Everybody made it in one piece. Nobody fell off. Anything else?
Right, guys.
We got pizza. We motorcycle to get some pizza.
Brian said he's buying a hog.
Yeah.
Don't come up. Boys are looking fresh.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Dean Daly here on the Bachelorette party.
You got something to tell us? Okay, so a little confusing. It looks like I'm outside right now, but I'm actually inside. That's the ceiling. Here we are, Gordon Ramsay's restaurant.
This is awful.
We,
Ramsay.
again, single father, last single father weekend.
Cheers. Gonna make the most of it.
We've been up for like 24 hours at this point.
Almost.
Still running strong. One more. All right, There we go.
right.
Bottoms up.
We won't do anything you wouldn't be approve of, Angie, tonight.
What we all get? Brian and I burgering up. Mr. Lobster Roll over here. Oh, you got a burger too?
It's a bachelor burger.
Okay, here we are. We got some nice cheeks. We've all been up for about.
Around the front side.
Small wieners used to be in.
Oh. He's on the
Hey,
phone.
is it?
Thank you.
That was very nice. Say hi.
Bachelor party weekend. Now you're part of the bachelor party.
I'm a bachelor.
This is. Oh.
I'm a gambler, so
Oh.
You're a gambler.
There you go.
I could not stand to watch you drop. Like I think that was $100.
Who dropped it? We're all a little
It was
trapped.
you.
Oh, it was?
It was
Your money. And he picked it up.
Good.
Oh my god, yeah, it was your money. It was on the
I didn't know.
They're all brothers.
Thank you, sir. Well, I appreciate that. Thank you.
Of course. Y'all have a good night.
I was gonna say, I wasn't holding a $100 bill last time. I think all the hours up there.
Michael, how many hours have we been awake?
23. 23.
Tried to guess how much a robe costs. A Caesar's robe. It is $100.
I'm about to flex a Caesar robe.
Did I charge it in the room? Did Julie's actually wear it?
Good morning, fellas. We all got a lovely night of sleep last night.
We did.
Okay. But this morning we are hopping on the hogs. We are riding out to the Hoover Dam. We're gonna get some damn pizza, some damn soda,
I can't wait for the damn pizza.
some damn pictures.
damn straight.
So, we're having a little bit of GPS issues. The Hoover Dam is apparently this parking lot. I'm not seeing it. It's kind of weird. Brian, how was the ride?
It was fantastic. I can't complain.
Good.
It was phenomenal.
Phenomenal. There's some pretty mountains over there. There's a pretty single father.
There's a pretty single boy right here.
All right, we took a quick pit stop for some very fine, I think Irish is the ethnicity of this place. Michael, what ethnicity is it?
Maybe German.
Maybe German. It's
Mickey D.
the McDonald's. Okay, so here we are at the Hoover Dam.
Hoover, damn it.
What do you think about the Hoover Dam?
I think it's pretty damn cool.
Damn right.
What do you think,
Damn
man?
jokes can we make?
Too many. A damn lot. So we stopped up here at the Lake Mead Marina.
Lake Marina's down there.
Okay, well maybe we didn't.
But Scenic overlook.
It's a scenic overlook. It is Scenic.
Against the wall and don't you move. They always win, you always lose. Oh, they got the law, they got the drive. Every car behind me is a car. Oh, every car behind me is a car. Oh, all the noise and all the lights, here they come left and right. Every car behind me is a car. Jamming gears and hold on tight. Now they got one in the sky. Every car behind me is a car. Play it dumb or play it smart. You hit the gas and stop it.
What's going on, guys? Steve Daly here with the three knuckleheads. What's going on at that sushi summer place?
So let's find out. Okay, so here we are. We got, what is it?
Wagyu dumplings.
Wagyu dumplings. Michael said he wanted to try it. He's never had Wagyu before. Why don't you give us a little tasty poo?
I dunk a little more than that. Bathe it in there. There you go.
Michael, what do you think? All right, senor.
Oh yeah, man.
Scale of 1 to 10.
That's a 9.5.
Oh, a 9.5. Okay, so here we are at Steven's favorite ristorante, Carmine's. Oh, there he is taking a picture.
We've got meatballs.
We have the meats.
Sending Lauren a picture of our meatballs.
Okay, so we got the lobster thermidor up here
Hell yeah.
in his house. Okay, good lord, that was a lot of food. All of us are pretty much stuffed to the brim, especially Michael.
Oh yeah.
He had that spicy. What is going on, guys? It is day 3 of the single father.
What the hell is going on,
weekend.
guys?
Yeah, we have been doing a little poolside chilling, got some frozen margaritas, got a little massage. Let's go to the pool. Back from the pool, Brian just printed at the casino. Brian, how much are you up? Brian, you know what night it is? It's steak night.
Oh boy.
Steak night.
I'm getting the filet.
Everybody loves a good steak.
Wagyu for Brian. Taco Bell for me.
Yeah, Michael lost, so Taco Bell for him. All right, let's go steak night. Okay, so here we are, out at steak night. Brian, what you got?
I got a 16-ounce ribeye.
Wagyu.
Michael's got some Wagyu.
Big Daddy over here.
Lost $100. I'm the ribeye guy.
Yeah. New York strip over here.
Oh my.
Very good steak.
Lauren, basically, everything that he made gambling this week, he's spending right now on
He's
that
eating
plate.
it in dead cow.
She told me to do it. She said, you can get a filet anywhere.
That's how you should. Good morning. It is the last couple hours in Vegas. I think we squeezed all the fun out of this town.
Brian's got some more to squeeze.
Brian's already talking about his strategy for the next time he comes back. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. So, actually one more clip it turns out. We all stopped to get a quick little termy before we go. Michael got a Corona, I got a Corona, we got a Michelob. Brian, Brian had the squirts last night. Brian, can you show us what you got?
I got a Budweiser Gelada. It's like a alcoholic V8. So what would you call that? Like a Bloody Mary? Call it like a Bloody Mary.
I call it an upset stomach.
I call it good drinking.
I call it Dad, who's sitting next to Dad on the plane. About what?
Thanks for watching.
Flashing lights and coastal blocks. They got the tough, they got the lot. Oh, here they come, they never stop. Every car behind me